According to Alex Whitworth. On Thursday, 22 September 2022, on Google News, we know. Royal Enfield Shotgun 650 and new Bullet 350, spotted during tests. The Royal Enfield Shotgun 650 and Bullet 350 have both been recently spotted, again, in the case of the shotgun, while testing in India. Two upcoming Royal Enfield motorcycles have been spotted out in the wild in the manufacturer's native India, with the Shotgun 650 and latest generation, Bullet 350 both undergoing testing. Shotgun 650. We will start with the Shotgun 650, which has been seen, with some accessories, out on public roads recently. After the recently spotted Royal Enfield Super Meteor 650, the Shotgun 650 Test Mule 2 has been sighted. It reveals more details about the design, mechanicals, and other bits now. Among the accessories for the Shotgun 650, as reported by Bike Whale, are two-tone alloy wheels, front and rear, a blacked-out front screen, LED indicator lights, and an engine guard frame that wraps around the upper part of the 648cc parallel twin motor. There were also bar end mirrors and additional lights fitted to the frame. Bike Whale also notes that the seat on the second of the Shotgun 650s that were recently photographed featured a seat which is flatter than that which has been seen on the test bikes, which had been spotted previous to this sighting. The upcoming Shotgun 650 will feature the same 648cc parallel twin-cylinder engine as used in the Interceptor 650 and Continental GT 650, meaning a likely output of 47 horsepower and of 52 nanometers of torque. Bullet 350. Secondly, we have the Bullet 350, which has been reported by Getty Wayati. Here, we find a motorcycle with which Royal Enfield wants to take advantage of the existing success of its 350 platform courtesy of the established Classic 350, Meteor 350 and more recent, Hunter 350 motorcycles. As well as the same SOHC, single-cylinder engine, with 20 horsepower, and 27 nanometers, Getty Wayati suggests that the Bullet will share other similarities with its 350 cousins. For example, the twin cradle chassis that we see in the photos is the same as that used on the Classic 350, and the indicators and rear light are similar, too. The wheels are 19 inches at the front, and 18 at the rear, with right side brake discs front and rear that are also equipped with single-channel ABS. Both the Shotgun 650 and Bullet 350 will make use of a single-pod instrument cluster, too, which is now becoming something of a signature of Royal Enfield. Thank you for watching and staying with us.